Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the assignment number 23 on the topic solutions. Let's move on to the assignment. Here the first question. The question is, the elevation of boiling point produce 1 mole of the solute dissolved in 100 grams of the solvent is called as. So we know that boiling point is whenever the vapor pressure of a solution which is equal to the atmospheric pressure, that point is called as boiling point, right? Whenever the vapor pressure of the solution is, while heating the, for example, if you take a solution, you will heat the solutes, then what happen? You will, there generation of vapors we can observe. Those vapor pressure is equal to the atmospheric pressure, that point is called as, we can generally, boiling point, right? So the boiling point of a solution is less than the boiling point of pure solvent. So the boiling point of solution minus the boiling point of pure solvent is called as elevation of boiling point. Elevation of boiling point. So in terms of that solution contain 1 mole that is dissolved in 100 grams of, if the solution contain 1 mole of solute that is dissolved in 100 grams of solvent, if that solution represents the elevation of boiling point, that is called as molecular elevation constant. Molecular elevation constant. So the correct option is the third option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the second question, molar elevation constant can be calculated by the formula. Just now we have discussed elevation of boiling point represent when 1 mole of solute dissolved in 100 grams of solvent, that is called as molar elevation constant. So molar elevation constant represent with Kb. So Kb equal to RT square B. This is elevation of boiling point by 1000 into volume of the solution, right? So the correct option is the first option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the third question, if the solution boil at temperature T1 and the solvent at temperature T2, the elevation point is given by. We know that elevation boiling point delta T, which is equal to the elevation boiling point delta T, which is equal to the boiling point of solution, boiling point of solution minus boiling point of pure solvent, right? So in the question they have given the solution boiling point of solution temperature, that is T1. The solution boils at temperature T1. So T1, and the pure solvent boiling point is T2. So T1 minus T2. The elevation of boiling point is T1 minus T2. So the correct option is the second option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, a solution contains 3.3 grams of substance in 125 grams of benzene. The boiling point of benzene is 80 degrees centigrade. Though solution boils at 80.66 degrees centigrade. If Kb is, that is molar elevation constant, Kb is for 1 kg of benzene is 3.28 degrees centigrade per molar. So the molecular weight of this substance shall be. So here the elevation of boiling point delta T, elevation of boiling point delta T equal to Kb into molality of particular solution, right? Molality of particular solution. They have given Kb, that is that is 3.28 degrees centigrade per molar. 3.28 degrees centigrade per molar, right? So now we need to find the molarity. Molarity is weight by molecular weight into 1000 by weight of the solute, weight of the solvent. So here weight of the solute WB, here weight of the solvent WA, right? So how much of the solvent they have taken here? 1 kg, right? So which is equal to weight of the benzene, that is 3.3. We need to find the how much molecular weight. We need to find the molecular weight of the substance, right? MWT, which is equal to 1000 by 1 kg. 1 kg we can convert into grams, that is 1000. So cancel, the molarity equal to 3.3 by molecular weight of the substance, right? We got the molarity and we got the kb. Then if we need to find the delta T equal to the boiling point of the solution, that is 80.66 minus boiling point of the pure solvent, that is benzene's boiling point, that is 80 degrees, which is equal to 0.66. We know the delta T, we know the molarity, and we know the molecular elevation constant. Now we can find the molecular weight. So 0.66 equal to 3.28 into 3.3 by molecular weight. So the molecular weight equal to 3.28 into 3.3 by 0.66. If we do the math, we will get around 131.20. So the correct option is the second option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the fourth question. If the elevation boiling point of a solution of 10 grams of solute, molecular weight 100 in 100 grams of water is delta TB. The ebullioscopy constant of water is, right? So here they have given elevation of boiling point of a solution of 10 grams of solute, molecular weight 100 in 100 grams of water is delta TB, the ebullioscopy constant, right? So they have given elevation of boiling point, that is delta T. So K equal to 1000 into elevation of boiling point, that is delta TB, into weight of the solute WB whole by molar mass of the solute MB into weight of the solvent, right? Then K equal to that is ebullioscopy constant, K equal to delta TB into 1000 into 10 whole by 100 into 100, right? So 10 tens, it will cancel, then K equal to delta TB. So ebullioscopy constant, which is equal to the elevation of boiling point. So the correct option is the third option. Clear? With this, I come to the end of the session. Thank you very much.